May pips be upon you. Hey, listen, we're going to talk about pound USD. I put out a video yesterday scanning through a bunch of trades for a Forex midweek kind of hot list. And I mentioned pound USD was ready, looked like it was ready to go. And that's when price was here. All right. I said it had, matter of fact, let's do it like this. Um, if I can just, all right. I had it like here, right? And what had happened was I, I, I saw price was here at the being oversold, and we got my bullish engulfer. All right. I was looking for a long, all right, and I had good reason to be long in this pair. As you can see on the 4 hour, we've been trailing up, all right, trending up rather. So, I was just looking for a good entry. All right. It came back, came down, gave us that entry, gave me the bullish engulfer. I also mentioned I was like, it didn't give me it gave me some rejections. It did give the rejections, then it came down and manipulated and gave us this bullish engulfer. So I was like, yeah, this is a fine entry. And then the news came, right? The news came for unemployment, the unemployment news for USD, for the US, and what was something else? ADP. ADP came in, and all those numbers were favorable. And when the numbers are favorable and it benefits the indices, then the currency is the one that suffers. I mean, strengthens. I'm getting it all mixed up. Anyway, the US dollar got strong behind the news. As soon as that news came out, you can see it's at 8 o'clock. The news came out, I believe, 8 o'clock, 8:30. All right. And, you can see what happened. So when the fundamentals blow off your technical analysis, all you can do is just go, it happens. All right. All right. So, yeah, I took a L on this. All right, but I got out. I got out without taking the full L. I mitigated my losses. What I want to present here is price is at on the 4 hour is at this significant level of support, heading down hard though. Look how much selling pressure is on that thing. Okay. Um, but what I want you to notice is with the Fibonacci's, with my Nachis, all right, from the swing low, if you look from the daily perspective, uh, on the swing low here to the swing high here, you can see we might be retracing to the 38 fib, which is fine, right? If I'm ready for price to come down to this level of resistance, turn support here, and we might find ourselves with confluence if it comes down in this area, if it comes down in this area here, because we have diagonal support along with the horizontal support of resistance turn support, right? So if it came down here, all the better, because that's between the 50 and the 618 golden ratio, and that's fine too. We might get a wick down here, then up. I am still bullish on this pair. All right, I'm not going to take shorts. This would be counter trend. That would ensure a rocky ride for that trade. All right, I'm not doing that. I'm waiting for price to come to one of these Fibonacci levels and find support. I'm thinking, if it starts to show support here, because I believe it's going to manipulate this wick on this one, come down and get the stop losses that are here, to grab liquidity. It might come all the way down here. Either way, it's fine with me. All right, whichever way it wants to go. All right, I'm looking for rejection and then a bullish engulfer, and I'm gonna get on that. Now, if it comes down here, I'll take it up. All right. And this up at the top of here, it would be one of my targets, my profit targets, right at this daily resistance line. All right, which is here. All right, and that would give me a beautiful price. But if it only comes down to the 38, that's fine too. I just need the rejection and then that bullish engulfer, and I can take price on up. All right, and uh, we I look on the weekly for profit targets, and here is one of them. Here would be my first one, and the second one would be up here for sure. Yeah, at 1.46109. So that's what I'm thinking now. I just want you to know that losses are going to happen, and I'm going to stay real with it about them. Okay, it doesn't mean that it's the end of the world. All of the trades have different things to consider, have different factors that could mess with mine and your technical analysis. All right, fundamentals can move the market. All right, um, when it comes to news, especially high impact news, what they call red news, you have to be careful during those times. All right, it's best to squeeze your stop loss next to your trade if you're in one when there's high impact news coming, or if you're got a nice swing going, you don't do anything. You just you know let it play out if you got a good swing going. But if you're on a lower time frame, you gotta mitigate. You you gotta protect your capital. All right. If you're in profit, squeeze your stop loss somewhere close during the high impact news in case it goes against you, because you don't want to give it all back. All right. If you're uh, not in profit, uh, just know that your stop loss could be hit, man. You want to do something to protect yourself. Either get out of the trade, which is what I would do before high impact news, and get back in, at the same entry. Set a limit order or something. I mean, do something. Just know that high impact news could mess your whole plan up. And today, that's what happened with me. I wasn't expecting US dollar to gain strength when the numbers were good. Right. And what I saw today was that the gold and the indices were actually correlated positively. And that's not supposed to happen. And when it does, I don't like to be in the markets. It's kind of, it's too unpredictable for me. So, anyway, that's what happened. Anyway, so we'll see what happens when it gets here. And we start seeing some rejections and whatnot. We're starting to see some already on the weekly. But what I'm looking for is an entry on the 4 hour. We're getting some rejection already at this level, and I wanted to share that with you. And let's see how this goes. I'm going to look for the 2 hour, and I'm going to look for closes, and we're going to see if this is indeed a good area for an entry. Where would I get involved? Where would I get involved? Well, I want to see how this candle closes first, and we'll see how the next one goes. But if it comes all the way back up, that'd be frustrating. But I don't mind not being first in a trade. I just want the meat of the trade. I don't need to be at the top or the bottom. I need to be in the meat of the trade. So after something like this, and then you get this bullish engulfer, that's where I want to enter. All right. I don't want to enter on just boom, boom. Oh, let me get in here. Boom. No, I need confirmation candles. You understand? That's the way I trade anyway. So looking on this 4 hour, we are over. We are already hit oversold, and if it does come back to this oversold area, and then turns up, the blue crosses the red here. All right, then we'll have bullish divergence going on from here to here, from here to here. Do you understand? So, I got good things that I'm looking at with this trade. I just need those confirmations. Talk to you in the next video. Hey, trade safe.